Hi there, hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the last puzzle. In this edition of today's newspaper on Singles Day. Yes, Singles Day, Friday, November the 11th, 2022. It's the Asian Black Friday. Yeah, Singles Day is Asian Black Friday. I've already solved three puzzles: the Sudoku with 3 stars, the Sudoku with 4 stars, and the binary. So one puzzle is left. The Tectonic with 4 stars. Yes, Tectonic with 4 stars. And let me see. This will be number 5468. Yeah, this will be 5468. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 13 printed digits. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one, but the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. Not this one has 13, so could be an easy, but could be also a hard one. I do not know, we will see. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's that's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. We will see if this is really a 4 star. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only one single box. Is this correct? Yeah. Let me put the 1 there. Do we have... Oh, no. This one is also a single box. Also a 1. Single box on single day. Yeah. All right. Then the following question. Can we see here the dual boxes? I see here one dual box, the second dual box. Dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, the 1 is already filled in, so this box should be a 2. Here the dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box cannot be a 1, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then the following question, triple boxes. Do we have triple boxes in this puzzle? Let me scan. No triple boxes. I see quadra boxes here. This one is a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, I cannot fill those numbers yet. Need more information here. The same quadra box. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And remember that that box has the same number as this box. All right. So that box has the same number as this box. All right. Only one T shape. Let me check. Yeah, only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about the Z construction? Let me draw the Z construction here. The Z shape or figure, structure or construction. If you rotate this, you will get the Z. And well, what you need to know is that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. All right. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. All right, the Z construction. Do we have more of the Z construction? Hey, we have another one, but if you flip this, you will get the S construction. And you rotate this. All right, so this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. Then the following figure or shape or construction or structure. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. when you see this kind of a shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. All right. Do we have more? Here, another one upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? Here, another one rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. All right. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one, mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Another one here, overlooked. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. All right. And the last shape, I believe, this is the last shape. Let me draw this shape here. Yeah. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. All right. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize for this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes. Maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. By the way, I overlooked this quadra box. Here we have a quadra box, there we have a quadra box. And this one is also a quadra box, contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, I cannot fill those numbers yet. All right, let me see. Which number can I use? 2 numbers left in this shape or figure for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. And that box is also connected with this box, should be also a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. And this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. But also those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These two boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Then. Let me see. These two boxes. Oh, wait. These two boxes can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here or there, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So these two boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. Is connected with that box should be also 3 and 4. Okay. Let me see. Well. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. 2 and 4. 1, 2, 4. 2, 2. Yeah, this box can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So these two boxes can be 2, and that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2, and this S construction should be there. Then, yeah, this box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah, this box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. That means that this box can be a 3 or a 4. We have a double 3 there and double 4 there. If I place a 3 here or 4 here, I cannot fill any 3 or any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 3 or a 4. And is connected with this box. Should be also 3 or a 4. Okay. I need a 2 in this area. But this box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left for the pair 3 and a 4. Alright, that means we have a double 3 there and a double 4 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 should be definitely here. There cannot be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So 3 should be definitely here and is connected with that box. Should be also 3. And this one is connected with that box. Should be also 3. So 1 box left in this area for number 4. 1 box left in this quadra box for the number 4. Then this box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. And I need a 5 here. 3 and a 4. Let me watch. Look. This box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. We have a double 4 there. So this box, I think it's a 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. A lot of 3 and a 4s here. Alright, these two boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this Z construction should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4. Alright. This is also 3 and a 4. Okay. Let me see. These two boxes can be a 4 because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 in this T-shaped area should be there and is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 there because we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the 5 is supposed to be here, and the 2 goes here. 3 and a 5. need to wait. 3 and a 4, need to wait. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4, let me mark those. 3 and a 4. Here also 3 and a 4. Okay. Now we have a 5 here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 5, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. So these two boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4 is connected. This box is connected with that box 3 and a 4. Okay. Now we have a 2 there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Well. 1, 2. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be a 5 because it is we have a 5 in the same area. So this box should be definitely a 3. Is connected with that box should be also 3. Now we have a 3 here in this Z or S construction. This box is marked with 3 or 4. We have a 3 there, so this box should be definitely a 4. Is connected with that box should be also a 4. One box left in this Z construction or the S construction for number 5. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 3 then. Now we have 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 and a 4, well, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 4, again, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4, okay. Let me see. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. So 2 numbers are left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 3 and a 4, well, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this Z or S construction for number 3. Oh, no. This is not a 4, but a 3. Made a mistake. Could be happen. So this box cannot be a 3 because this box is connected with that box. Should be a 3. Okay. Is this dry? So this box should be a 4 then. Alright. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. Finish in 18 minutes. Wow. Is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again tomorrow on Saturday. Yes, it's weekend. So have a great and fantastic Singles Day. I hope you can purchase cheap electronics with a lot of discounts, because in the last 9 months, I believe, 8 or 9 months, the prices are going up because of the war in Ukraine. Well, have a great and fantastic Friday. See you then. Bye-bye for now.